it going, guys? Jason here from Inshore Fishing. It's Liberation Day for us today in Guernsey, so it's a day off. It's Monday. We're going to go out and do a bit of rod fishing. We'll do a few pots on the way, and we've got Johnny B coming with us today. He'll be here shortly. I've told him to get here for 10 o'clock. It's about 9:30. So we've got a bit of time to wait. We're just going to get the boat ready and stuff like that. But yeah, guys, we're going to make our way out there. It shouldn't be too long for you today. It should be quite a nice trip out, but we'll see. There is a bit of a breeze there, southerly breeze. So we'll see, guys. But yeah, let's get this boat sorted and we'll get our way out there, guys. See you in a bit. Right, guys, what I'm doing here is I'm just filleting a couple of long nose, or garfish as they call them. This is what we're going to use today for the turbot bait. And literally, that's all I'm doing, is I'm just filleting the sides. Then that'll be like cut there, so that'll be 4 bits of bait. We'll have 8 bits of bait. Hopefully we might be able to drop down and get a couple of mackerel if there's any around. Fingers crossed. I'm not sure what the weather's going to be like. We're just prepping the boat and prepping the bait and stuff like that while we're waiting for Johnny B. That is all we're doing. It's just like that, guys. Lovely, nice fillet, look. Guys, so once we've cut them in half, we're just turning them into flappers like that. All we're doing, we're just cut them down like this. And there we go. Nice flapper. That will flap around as it's drifting. A bit more attraction for the fish. There we go, there's another one. Same with this one, guys. How's it going, guys? Johnny's here now, look, he's just turned up. So we're going to get this boat ready, guys, and we're going to make our way out there and hopefully catch ourselves a turbot. Fingers crossed. Wishful thinking and all that. But yeah, we're going to give it a go, guys. So yeah, we'll get the boat untied and we'll make our way out there. Well, guys, we've got to the top of the Smartness Point bank. We're just about to get the rods out, we'll get some down and hopefully catch a fish, guys. It's cracking out here. I thought there was going to be a bit of a swell, but it's actually quite nice. That wind has dropped away quite a bit as well, actually, surprisingly. So yeah, hopefully we'll have a good couple of drifts here. So we're going to get the rods down and hopefully get you back when we catch some fish. Guys, it's got a little bit of weight on here. I don't know what it is. I've only literally just dropped down. I'd only just finished letting the line out. There's a bit of weight on. A nice bit of weight now. Where's that rod behind? It's not a doggy. Bit of weight there though. It is a doggy. Just a dogfish, guys. Oh, that's a shame. Well, that's the first fish of the trip anyway. I'm getting a little bit excited there. Right, we're going to use the same bit of bait because it's not too bad. No, I'm not. I'm going to put a fresh bit of bait on and get this back down, guys. Alright. pots up, guys. Couple of small spiders. Second one, nothing. This pot's a bit knackered, I'm gonna have to replace that. Third pot, nice Larry lobster there. I reckon he'd be in, just maybe. And that one, we got a couple of small spider crabs again. So we're gonna bait these up and get them back out. I just want to show, with the neck, when you bait them, run the outside of this bucket here, there's a band. I don't know if you can see it from in there. And you pull this cord, look, see how it opens up? And you put the bait behind there, and then the bait will sit this side of the neck, so the crabs can't sit on the edge of the pot here and get the claws in and eat it. They have to go in to get it. So yeah, we're going to measure this and have a look. She's in, guys. First lobster of the day, first string. Happy days. Nice. String done, guys. Let's get on to this next string. Spin the wheel that way, man. Pots up, we've got small brown crab, small spider crabs, that's all in that one. This one's got nothing in at all. Third one, a couple of spider crabs again, and in that one we've got dead spider crab. We're going to get these baited up, guys, get these back out and get out to the third set, which is just over there. Third string. Right guys, first pot's up. We've got a couple of small brown edible crab. We've got ourselves a cuttlefish there, look. We're going to let this one go today. Squirted a bit of black ink, but gone straight down. So that's that pot, guys, small crabs. The amateur angler pot, as always. Shout out to Big Matt. Lobsters! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lobsters in that little pot. Look at that, guys. They're not all sized, but I reckon there's probably 2 there, maybe 3 that might be sized. We're going to get these baited up, get these back out. I'm not going to waste no time. Very little string, that one. First string's up, a couple of small brown crab in there, carcass of a spider crab. This one we got a few brown little crabs, a couple of spider crabs, nothing in that one. This one we got a nice little lobster. I reckon he's going to be sized. Check him in a minute. We just got a couple of brown crab and a couple of spider crab, guys, so we can get these baited up, get these back out. Strings up. We've got a small Larry lobster there. He's obviously going to be too small. Second pot. Another little Larry lobster there, guys. I think again they're both going to be too small. So we get these back. 1, 2, and that's it, guys. Nothing else in there. So we get these baited, get these back out. Guys, the last string's up and it's pretty poor, to be honest. Small brown crab in that one, this one here, spider crab, and that one there is empty. So I'm going to check these for holes, guys, get a bit of bait in, even though there's quite a bit of bait still in them. We'll have a look and maybe try putting these somewhere different. lost, guys. I couldn't find. Managed to put it back on. See how it cleans the roper, takes all that weed off it. Big spider crab come off, look. Big spider just fell off the top. That string, this is the last one then, nothing in there. Second one, nice brown crab there, he's an eater or a keeper even. Spider crab, he's a keeper. Got another spider crab in there, he's too small. This one again, nice crab there, guys. And that one's a nice one as well, keep him. And in the last pot, guys, we've got a nice sized lobster in there, guys. Got a little gammy claw there, trying to have me. But yeah, nice lobster to end the day with. Just going to get some bait in these guys, we're going to get these put back out. Well guys, it's time to head in. There's Johnny there. We've had a good trip out today, guys, so yeah, let's make our way in. Got some nice lobsters there today. Some nice brown crab and spider crab, so yeah, let's get the boat in. See you back on dock. Well guys, cheers for coming along on that trip. That was a nice trip out, that one. We had 5 keeper lobsters, nothing on the rods. Oh, we had one dogfish on the rod, so yeah, that wasn't too great. But yeah, what a cracking day to be out on the boat, guys. So we've just cleaned up the boat, pool's just popped down, Johnny's ready to leave, so we're going to get this boat sorted, guys, and we're going to make our way back home. It's Liberation Day. I'll go have a crack open a few beers, I think, guys, so enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you later.